Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we try to see one of the very interesting project, that is RAG in a generative AI, that is a retrieval augmented generation. So this is the one of the project we try to see today. It can support a text, PDF and URL. Means it can take a data from three different sources, and based on our query we try to get the required answers. So these are the three types of sources it can take and retrieve the data. So, in this one you can see our GitHub repo is in Alex generative AI RAG. You can see it onto the screen, and how this research tool, how it is looks, we are explaining on to here. So this is the steps we need to follow. The Python 3.11.5 I have used. Next step is a clone. The third one is entering and installing the required packages for this project. And now how to run this one, streamline run app.py. These steps you can find it over here. Now I have opened the VS Code. You can see it. Now the prerequisite, the main important one we try to import, that is nothing but as a LangChain, a community, a LangChain, a document loader, a LangChain chroma, that is a vector DB. So these three. Here a text loader, PDF loader, unstructured URL loader. These are the three things we are loading. Apart from that one, we try to install the Streamlit. It will try to take it from there. So these are the three. Now if we can come down, so we are writing, that is the title, that is called RAG, and after that one we are printing the logo, and we have put the three condition: a text, second one is a PDF, third one is the URL, and each function it will be called based on the selection button. Now it will go to the text loader, and by using the text loader it will try to load, and it will call the common code. Similarly it will come to the PDF loader, that is called as a PDF plumber loader, so that it will try and call the common code. And similarly if we come the URL loader, it is unstructured URL loader, take the URL and it will call the common code. The common code it will try to take, and it will try to split by chunk size, and it will take it into the splitter. You can see it. And after that one we are using a Hugging Face, the model name all mi the model, and after that one we are storing the word2vec into the chroma DB, and when you are asking the query it is comparing with, and if it is fine it is printing the answer, if not, no result found. So this is the condition we are putting, and based on the information availability, if and else will be executed. So this much it will be happen in the common code, and we try to see the information in the next by calling these three one after the other. And now we are moving on to the Hugging Face all mini LM L6 V2, and you can see it mapped the sentences paragraphs to 384 dimensional vector space, and it will try to do the clustering and the semantic search. It will try to do. And how to install pip install, that is sentence transformer, and how to use, there is a good documentation and code, it has been explained over here. And if we can come to the right hand side, you can see that is a sentence we want to compare, and the rest of the things we can take the reference sentences and add the sentence and compute. It will give the score which is best matched to the given sentence. So sentence to sentence it is comparing over here. and you can play with this one, and you can add the sentence and click over here. So this is called it as a sentence transformer, which is nothing but as a word to vec. This is the pre-trained model for clustering and semantic search. Now let us move to the second one, that is a lang chain. In the lang chain you can see that is called as a document loader. Different document loaders are there, and I'm pointing out the document URL where you can find it out. Now CSV, file directory, HTML, JSON and Markdown and PDF. These are the different ways where we can fetch the data into here. And how to do, we have in a sample code which has been explained over here. Directory loader, and if you can see, you come down, you can see JSON loader, it is there. These are from the LangChain community document loader. So like this, HTML is unstructured HTML loader. So these are the different place where you can explore it, what are the different ways we can load. And after this one, we entering into the text splitter, how to split the text. All this explain it is over here. And after this, we are moving the text splitter, converting into the word to vec by using the sentence transformer. And after this one, we are moving on to the cosine similarity, that is cosine distance. A and B is the vector. We can identify the magnitude and find the cos theta between the two, and based on the similarity we can say vector A and vector B is similar. Here vector A is representing the sentence 1 and vector B is representing the sentence 2. So like this we can find the similarity between the two sentences. Like this, it is identifying the score what we have seen in the previous. Yeah, this is the formula. A dot B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B into cos theta. Now finally we will come over here. Now it is the time we try to see the demo how it is working in our case. The RAG structure will be the document loading, splitting, storing, retrieving. These are the 3 steps it is following. Now I am opening the terminal, and there I am running the streamlet run app.py. Now we are entering into the web, and it is opening 8501 is the default port number in the local host. Now I am selecting the text, and I am browsing one text file. You can see it on the screen, that is datascience.txt. After this one, it will give me a prompt where I can enter my question, that is nothing but the what is data science, and it is taking some time to get the answer from the given document. Now it has printed the answer over here, what it has been written in the document, the most relevant matching with the given question. What is the relevant answer, it has been there in the document. Maybe I am reading, we try to zoom it and we can see it. Yeah, second one, what I am trying to do it over here, it is I am selecting the PDF loader, and I am browsing the one which I am taking ann.pdf, and it has been loaded. Now it is taking some time to give the prompt, and I am asking what is a neuron. I am typing over here what is a neuron, and I am clicking the search button, and it is taking the time to get the answer for this one. So what is the relevant information, it is there in the ann.pdf, it is printing over here. And with this one we are going in the third one, that is URL, and I have my web, that is alexdatasolution.com. you can see it on the screen. I am taking that one and I'm putting over here, and I'm clicking enter. And after this I'm asking the query what are the keywords in this website or URL, what are the keywords, and it is taking to find the keywords from the URL and website, and it will try to print it onto the screen. Okay, so these three use cases we have seen. One is a text, second one is PDF, and third one is an URL, that is website. It is taking the data. So this majorly is loading, splitting, storing, and retrieving the information, which is nothing but the RAG. These are the main components over here. And if you like this video, and if you have any doubts on this video, please write your queries or your problems in the comment section, and I will look and get back to you. The vector, the database we are using, the vector DB, and it will try to query and find out the answers from the vector DB. And with this one we will be closing, and we try to meet in the next video, and we try to give the GitHub link so that you can clone and play around it. Thank you very much, and we try to meet in the next video.